Something you don't see every day in Michigan. I haven't seen hail in years.
Yeah. Wow.
I just washed the truck.
I know. I told you that it was going to rain today.
It's insane.